What is going on, everybody? My name is Nicholas Kemp, aka Nick the Entrepreneur, and in this video I want to talk about how to easily make 6 figures in your business this year. Stay tuned.
Class is in session, only right that you stay in your seat. Opposition straight.
When it comes to running a business, you have to have an audience. Now, if you haven't watched my last video, which talks about marketing, then you want to watch that, because what I'm going to talk about now is truly important. So the first step in making 6 figures is by sending traffic to your offer. And the 2 ways to do that, one is through paid advertising and the other is through organic reach. I'm going to cover those very briefly. Paid advertising is when you pay platforms to push your product or service out to a massive audience. Organic reach is doing stuff like this. I like to call zero work. You create content in order to drive traffic to your offer. It may take a little bit more work, but at the end of the day, it's about building a brand and also building awareness. So let's say in a perfect world, we've crafted this amazing offer that is ready for your ideal client. The next thing is going to be sales. Typically, this process is where you send people to a sales page, or there's some type of method in order to inform people about the product. This is where you see commonly on landing pages, where it may be one video, it may say watch this and it'll tell you all about the product, or you may have a sales video that introduces the person that you saw the product or service from, and then it breaks down everything into steps. There is a multitude of ways to actually do it, but this is part of the process when it comes to sales, which is describing what your product or service is so that you're building trust among your prospects. For service providers, I like to go a little bit further, because not everybody has a one-off product that literally is transactional. So for service providers, I like to go a step deeper in the process, which is where you actually convert people. You might have sold them on the product, but they're still not quite sold yet. And this is where you push them to actually do something, which is called a CTA, which is a call to action. And this is where you say, purchase this product here, jump on a sales call, and things of that nature. The last step in the process is talking about value. And this is where you actually deliver on your promise. It seems like the easiest part for a lot of people, but some people can drop the ball or can be nervous at this step, because it's one of the most important steps in order to gain that person's trust. Hopefully you've done such a good job that you get testimonials and referrals in your business. So just to sum it all up, I'm going to put an image on the screen in order to visually give you an idea how this works. So you send traffic at the top of the funnel, then you have sales, then you convert, and then you actually deliver value. And as you can see, this process is going to weed out people. So it's important that when you do actually send traffic, you send so much traffic that it filters down to your ideal client. And that is the key to 6 figures in your business. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you got a lot of value out of this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for being a part of the journey. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Album and problems release. You sharpen your bars and set the bar, and the problems should cease. This never will happen on terrain like I'm riding a Jeep. Y'all want to be popular.